5 things not to say to the insurance company right after an accident.
Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Bill Adler, and today we'll be talking about 5 important things that you should not say to the insurance company after a collision. Doing so could damage your claim to compensation and benefits.
Whether there is minor damage or catastrophic personal injuries. After a motor vehicle accident, it is important to realize that you will need to timely report your accident to the insurance carrier. This is an important first contact because although the insurance adjuster will be cordial and friendly after an accident, they are beginning to build a case against you, even if it is your own insurance carrier. This is why our Texas auto accident lawyers want you to realize that it is crucial to be aware of some of the most important things not to say to the insurance company right after an accident. Even minor comments can have a significant effect on both liability and damages. Some important things not to say include: never accept any fault for an accident. Even if you believe you may have been at fault for speeding, running a red light, or any other vehicle and traffic violation, never admit that to the insurance adjuster. Explain an accident in general terms, that it was an intersection accident, head-on, or another type of crash, but do not accept any liability or fault. Never admit to fault until you have a lawyer who can review your rights and make admissions or contest the facts with the law. This includes even if you have been given a traffic ticket, as this is not a finding of guilt, but just an allegation. Do not tell an adjuster about your injuries in detail. In a personal injury accident, do not tell an insurance adjuster about your specific injuries until you have a lawyer to review and handle your claim. Even if it is apparent that you have a broken arm or other laceration, it is not necessarily what you say that will hurt you, but what you do not say. Indeed, if you give notice of your obvious injuries, but leave out some injuries that may not be apparent right away, such as some hidden injuries like back injuries or brain bleeds, an insurance adjuster will use that against you to say that you did not report or complain about these injuries when you gave notice of your claim. That is unfair, but it could trick a jury into thinking you were expanding on your claim to grab more money, when in truth, you are just trying to get fair compensation for your pain and suffering, medical bills, and lost wages. Do not quantify your pain. Many insurance adjusters will ask you to give a rating of your claim or whether your injuries are mild, moderate, or severe. Never answer this. You are not a medical professional, and if you are, you should not quantify it until you speak with your medical provider and hire a Texas auto accident lawyer to review your claim. Do not have chit-chat with an insurance adjuster. Insurance companies train their adjusters to be friendly and get you to divulge information about your family life, like trips, work, holidays, vacations, activities, and other things. While this may seem like friendly and personalized service, it is really a fishing expedition. If you admit that you went away on vacation to go swimming, but you are also claiming you have a serious back injury, you can bet that will be used against you in court. Hire a lawyer before giving notice of an accident. If at all possible, avoid giving notice to the insurance carrier entirely by calling a lawyer right away after you have been injured. An experienced Texas auto accident lawyer like ours at Jim Adler & Associates can ensure that your rights to compensation are protected right from the start.
If you have questions about your case and you'd like to talk to an experienced personal injury lawyer, you can reach us through our website, jimadler.com, or call us 24/7 at 800-567-7575.